and Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us. Stunning images of new 105,000 capacity Camp Nou redevelopment works. The Spanish giants have now released a video promoting their entire Espai Barsa project, in which they explained the plan to keep the team playing at the stadium while redevelopment work takes place. At present, Barcelona's home is a 99,000 capacity, traditional ground made mainly from stone. In 4 years' time, it will have been renovated to become a 105,000 capacity super stadium, with a far more modern feel to it. Take a look at the design images and images of the new Camp Nou below. Spotify Camp Nou new stadium design. Camp Nou was FC Barcelona's home since officially opening on the 24th of September 1957. Barca's Camp Nou stadium replaced the former FC Barcelona of Les Corts, which had a capacity of just 48,000 and became too small for fans of the team led at the time by legendary Hungarian star Ladislau Kubala. The Camp Nou stadium was built from 1955 to 1957. Originally, the official name was Estadi del FC Barcelona, but it soon got the nickname Camp Nou, the new ground. This name was not made official until the 2000-2001 season after a postal vote made by club members, and since then, Camp Nou has been the official name of the stadium. The current capacity is 99,354, making it the biggest stadium in Europe. When it was first opened in 1957, it held 93,053 spectators. This was increased to 120,000 in 1982 for the FIFA World Cup. New regulations outlawing standing areas reduced the stadiums in the late 1990s to just under 99,000. After years of plans, construction of the new Camp Nou FC Barcelona stadium starts in June 2022. The new Barca Stadium will be under construction until season 2025-26. For the 2023-24 season, FC Barcelona will play at Barcelona's Olympic Stadium, Estadi Olímpic Lluís Companys, on Montjuïc Hill. The plan is to return to the new Camp Nou Stadium for the 2024-25 season, but using 50% capacity of Camp Nou while the renovation is still underway. FC Barcelona has an option to stay at the Estadi Olímpic Lluís Companys for the 2023-24 season if necessary. Playing at the Estadi Olímpic Lluís Companys means that FC Barcelona will have reduced seating capacity of 60,000 spectators in 2023-24 season, instead of the 99,000 capacity of Camp Nou, 1,000 days until the work on Spotify Camp Nou concludes. The third tier will be fully removed in 116 days' time, with the return to the stadium scheduled for the club's 125th anniversary on November 29, 2024 in 514 days' time. Work on the Spotify Camp Nou is going to schedule for FC Barcelona, with the stadium set to be officially completed in 2026. There are precisely 1,000 days to go until the new home for all things FC Barcelona comes to fruition, when every member and fan will be able to enjoy the improvements and new developments at the refurbished facilities. They will find an open, Mediterranean stadium with an egalitarian approach that is set to become a benchmark for technology and sustainability, keeping FC Barcelona at the forefront of world sport. The third tier is scheduled to be fully removed within 116 days' time, giving way to excavations around the second tier, before work starts on building the foundations for the new third tier. The all-important return from the Lluís Companys Olympic Stadium is scheduled for 514 days' time, coinciding with the club's 125th anniversary on November 29, 2024. Cranes for the Spotify Camp Nou works unloaded at the port of Barcelona. Standard cranes can lift 10 tons, but those for use on the stadium will have 7 times the lifting capacity. Work continues on demolishing the Spotify Camp Nou third tier, and the 6 cranes for raising and building the new structure have arrived at the port of Barcelona. They had to be dismantled for transportation by sea from Kuwait given their unorthodox specifications, as they reach a height of 85 meters, while also having an 85 meters long boom. In terms of capacity, standard tower cranes can lift up to 10 tons. However, those earmarked for use on the stadium works will have 7 times the lifting capacity. The tower cranes will arrive at the stadium in the coming days and were previously used on the Kuwait International Airport construction project. Current activities are focusing on fully demolishing the third tier, with most of the overhang now removed, along with the media section and boxes. The seats in the affected area have already been removed in order to prepare the zone, and the first and second tiers are next on the schedule. FC Barcelona. The work at Spotify Camp Nou, the center of the Espai Barsa project, is underway, and the activity is concentrated on the demolition of the third tier as well as the removal of all reusable material. These first weeks, the dismantling of the interior of the stadium has continued, starting with the pitch, with demolition work also starting. At the moment, as many as 250 workers are involved at Spotify Camp Nou, and it is expected that more will become involved in the next few weeks when the cranes that surround the stadium arrive. Joan Laporta and the board of directors visit the Spotify Camp Nou works. Work is currently taking place on fully demolishing the third tier, with the Goal Nord screen and seats from the area also removed. Work at Spotify Camp Nou continues for FC Barcelona, and 1 month since the ceremony to start the operation, the demolition of the third tier is well underway, leaving the stadium somewhat unrecored ground for all things. FC Barcelona has hosted some glorious moments during the club's centenary period, but it is now entering a new phase, with the project moving forward. The FC Barcelona president, Joan Laporta, led a delegation featuring members of the board of directors as they visited the works at the stadium to check on the progress being made, as operations are going to schedule. Work is currently focused on completely demolishing the third tier, with the Goal Nord screen and the seats in the area also removed in order to prepare the area for the demolition work. Barca will still be playing at their arena next season. Barcelona will play the 2023-2024 season at the Laos Company's Olympic Stadium, which hosted the 1992 Summer Olympics. The capacity of the Olympic Stadium is 55,000 spectators. Due to the forced relocation, the number of fans who will be able to go to the matches of Barcelona will almost halve. Camp Nou is the largest stadium in terms of capacity not only in Spain, but also throughout Europe. The home stadium of Barcelona can now accommodate more than 99,000 spectators. After reconstruction, the capacity will increase from 99,000 to 110,000. This will make the Camp Nou the third largest stadium in the world after the Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium in India, 132,000, and the first May Day in North Korea, 114,000. In the summer of 2024, Barcelona will return to the Camp Nou, but still have to play at 50% of the capacity, because the active phase of work will still continue and will only end during the 2025-26 season. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.